Hey guys, this is Night Flyer. Binance, as the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, is very suitable for beginners. This step-by-step video tutorial will help you quickly get started with Binance. All the following sections will be covered: how to create a Binance account and get 15% off for trading fee, how to perform KYC identity verification, how to deposit and buy Bitcoin, and how to withdraw funds. Okay, step 1. Binance sign up. Click the expand button below the video title and click the Binance registration link. Now we come to the Binance landing page. We can register with email or mobile phone. Generally, it is more recommended to register with email. After entering the email, click Next Step. It will send a 6-digit verification code to email. Check your email box and copy verification code here. Then, create a password. 3 requirements here: at least 8 characters, at least 1 number, at least 1 uppercase letter. Follow these requirements to set a strong password. Click Next. Okay, if you clicked the link below my video to register just now, Referral ID should be automatically filled in here. If there's nothing here, you can enter the capital letters RQ34A1EN. It guarantees that you obtain a 50% commission kickback. Make sure it shows linked like this. Then click Next. Next is the identity verification session. We need to complete identity verification for Binance account to unlock deposit, withdrawal, and trading limits. So here, select your country of residence. Please ensure that your country of residence is consistent with your ID documents. You will then see a list of verification required for your specific country. Click Continue. Then, enter personal information, nationality, name, birthday. Continue. Detailed home address. Here, we need to verify ID documents. You can either take a photo with your device's camera or upload photos. Here, I choose the second method, more convenient on computer side. Upload the front and back of ID card respectively. After uploading documents, complete a liveness check. Use your phone to scan this QR code to start the face verification. The process includes actions like opening your mouth, blinking your eyes. Just follow the instructions step by step. After completing all the above steps, there will be a few minutes of review time. Do not refresh your browsers during the process. Once approved, our Binance account is ready to go. Before trading, let's click Account on the left side. Select Account Security. So here, in order to increase the security of our Binance account, it's highly recommended to enable at least 1 two-factor verification, which is also called 2FA. For instance, add a valid phone number. Actually, for me personally, I will also enable Google Authenticator. Step 3. Buy crypto. Click Buy Crypto here. There are 3 ways to buy crypto: credit debit card, bank transfer, or P2P Trading. They each have their own advantages and disadvantages. I will guide you guys through one by one. The first is to buy with credit or debit card. This is a fast and easy way. Here, we can choose to buy crypto with different fiat currencies. For example, I will choose USD. Enter the fiat amount you want to spend, $100. The system will automatically display the amount of crypto you can get. Next, choose our preferable payment method. Let's see what we got here. Visa or MasterCard, Google Pay. I'm fine with the first option. Different country or region has different options here. Choose the method suitable for you. Then click Add New Card. Enter your card details: name, expire date, CVV, country address, all the necessary information for payment. Click Confirm so that this card will be successfully linked to your account. Please note that if the card fails to bind, you can try it again and again, or change a card issued by a different bank. Using credit card is simple and fast, but it also has higher fees. The second way to buy crypto is to use bank deposit. So click Deposit Fiat. Compared to buying crypto directly with credit or debit card, this method is cheaper. It has lower transaction fees, but the speed is slow. Usually takes 1 to 2 working days to proceed funds. Deposit with card, continue, and follow the rest steps. Remember that your bank account name must match the name registered to your Binance account. The third way to buy crypto is P2P. Click Trade, choose P2P. P2P is a peer-to-peer marketplace that allows you to directly trade crypto with other Binance users. Here is a filter section. Click Buy. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Let's take buying USDT as an example. Newbie buddies might ask, what is USDT? USDT is equivalent to USD dollars in crypto world. Its price is tied to US dollars. 1 USDT is equal to 1 USD. Since price of cryptocurrencies are constantly fluctuating, the price of USDT is relevantly stable. So generally, we first exchange our fiat currency to USDT, then use USDT to buy other cryptos. So here, I choose USDT. Enter the amount I want to buy, for example, 10,000. Choose the fiat currency I want to pay with. By this way, it filters out all sellers who meet my requirements. This column is their quotation. This column is their available quantity and the limit for each advertisement, and the payment method they accept. I choose this seller as an example. Click Buy USDT. Read the advertiser's terms carefully before placing the order. Then enter the amount I want to buy, 10,000. It shows that I will receive 9930.43 USDT. Click Buy USDT to place the order. The order status is Order Created. We need to transfer the payment directly to the sellers through a bank transfer or other third-party payment platforms based on the seller's payment information. After the payment is completed, select Transferred, notify seller. Do not click this button unless you have paid the sellers. During the payment process, if you encounter problems, feel free to use the chat box on the right side to communicate with the seller in real time. Then, the order status will be changed to Pending Release. Theoretically, crypto will be credited to you soon. You can click View My Balance to view the assets. Newbie buddies might worry again. What if I have already transferred the money to sellers, but he doesn't give my crypto? Don't worry. As soon as we place an order, the platform automatically secures irrelevant digital assets from the seller, waits for the sellers to confirm your offline payment, and only released when the transaction is successfully completed on both ends. This is the so-called Escrow Service, ensuring safe and fair trading. Here is a thoughtful safety reminder for everyone. All communication with the seller must be conducted on Binance official platform. It will be convenient for customer service to verify the evidence. So now, let's start trading. How to buy Bitcoin? First, click your wallet on upper right corner, Funding Wallet. We need to transfer USDT from Funding Wallet to Fiat and Spot account. Click Transfer here, Amount Max, Confirm. Internal transfer on Binance won't charge any fees. Next, click on Trade Spot. This is a spot trading interface. You can see a lot of data and sections. The left side shows the market prices. Red are asks, which means sell orders. Green are bids, which means buy orders. On the right side is a list of market trading pairs. We can choose the trading pair we want to trade. For example, I type in BTC/USDT pair. The 10x or 5x next to it indicates that this trading pair can be leveraged on Binance. I will introduce leverage and perpetual contract trading in the advanced tutorials later. After selecting the trading pair we want to trade, it will be displayed in the upper left corner. The middle part is the key line and technical indicators of the trading pair. Scroll down. To buy Bitcoin, there are two common order types: limit order or market order. Limit order is to buy coins at a specific price. For example, if the current Bitcoin price is $60,000, I want to buy it when it drops to $55,000. I can set the price to $55,000 here, enter the quantity to buy, or quickly select using the slider bar. Then click green button, Buy BTC. It will appear in order books below. If my price is set too low, it may not be executed for a long time. If you want to modify your set price, just click the Modify button next to the price. Change it to 50,000 for example. The quantity also needs to be adjusted accordingly. Click Confirm. If you can't wait for the limit order and want to cancel it, just cancel the limit order here. Next, how to use a market order to buy and sell. Market order is a faster way to trade. It buys at the current market price immediately. See, for market orders, we cannot set the price here. We only need to enter the quantity to buy. Once you click Buy BTC, it will be done immediately at the best available price. Sell Bitcoin is equally simple. We just go to the right side here. Also, choose limit or market order. I will choose limit, set it to 59,000 USD. Sell BTC. Now my limit order is placed. When the Bitcoin price reaches 59,000, this order will be executed automatically. Here is the order history. All trading records are shown here. So finally, if we have made money in crypto world and want to withdraw money, how do we do it? First step, we need to transfer USDT from the spot account to funding account. Confirm. Similarly, we can either sell through credit card or through bank withdrawal. First, the credit card way. Click Buy Crypto. The entrance for buying and selling are the same, but this time we choose Sell on the right. Type in the amount we want to sell, opposite operations as Buy. Or we can choose Withdraw Fiat. Select currency. Use P2P Trading to sell. We can sell in this quick area here or in the self-selection area. Alright, that's all for this video. We guide you through how to register on Binance, complete identity verification, how to deposit and buy USDT, how to trade and buy Bitcoin, how to withdraw funds. Hope it's useful for you guys. See you soon in the next video.